Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome sis. My name is Yap, and as you guys can see by that title, you guys will be watching me slay this really cute and simple Valentine's Day inspired hair and makeup. This video is also sponsored by Curlyme Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. But before we hop into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and make sure to follow me on Instagram at YapThamUA, and let's hop right into it. So what y'all are watching me do right now is just slay my edges and prepare my hairline for my headband wig that was sent to me by Curlyme Hair. Now while y'all watch me do that, I'm just gonna briefly explain to you guys some details about the hair that they sent me. It's a Mongolian Afro coily kinky curly 26-inch headband wig, and this wig is so convenient, y'all. It's so versatile. You could put it in a bun, you could leave it down, you could put it in two buns. You could really do whatever you want with this headband wig, to be honest, because it's so versatile, and it really mimics, I feel like it mimics like 4C hair texture, which is my actual hair texture, which I really love because it makes it look very realistic. So this wig is very good for beginners, and it's very easy and simple to put on. It's like a 1 2 3 thing. You just slay them edges real quick and you throw that bad boy right on your head, and you'll be looking like a baddie instantly, okay? Period. If you guys want this wig, I'll leave a link to that in my description box below. Make sure to check out Curlyme Hair and use the code in my description box for some money off. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the box. You know, very nice, pretty, and bouncy. But I kind of wanted to like personalize it a little bit. So what I did to it was added some mousse and some water. And I also added some argan oil just to add a bit of shine to it. And it came out really nice. Y'all will see that in the clip right here. Period. Boom. Nice and pretty. So once again, there will be a link in my description box to this hair along with a coupon code. And now we're gonna get into the makeup. So the makeup look that I'm going for today is super duper simple and super duper easy. I'm gonna do a red glitter wing, as y'all saw in the thumbnail and in the beginning of the video. Now if you're a beginner, this video is perfect for you. It's not too hard, but it's still nice and bold and pretty. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And even if you're not a beginner, if you need some like inspo, definitely recommend you guys watch this video from beginning to end, because you never know, you could take some good tips and tricks from this video. And also, you know, just a little inspo or whatever. Like, I know sometimes some people don't want to be like too bold with their makeup because, you know, you just don't want to be extra, but you still want it to pop. So I feel like this is the perfect mixture, you feel me? So, you know, just sit back, relax, and watch me do what I do. I'ma just let y'all watch the video. I'm not really gonna talk because I feel like I talk a lot, and I kind of want to switch it up. Like, let me know how y'all feel. Do y'all like when I talk? Do y'all like when I just not talk and play some nice music in the back and y'all just watch me do what I do? You'll learn either way, okay? Period. You're gonna take some good tips and tricks either way, regardless. But just let me know how you feel about that in the comment section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I'm almost at 30K. I'm like 5,000 followers away from 30K. So let's just get that going, and let's just get this YouTube channel to 10K because I'm almost there. I'm at like 8 point something. So let's just run those numbers up, okay? Period. I promise you, if this is your first time here, you're gonna love it here. Everyone who subscribed loves it here, okay? Period. Because I'm always putting y'all on to the good juicy tips, especially the tips that other MUAs don't really let go. I really be putting y'all on to some gems, okay? Period. And y'all always tell me that in my DMs and in my comments, which I really appreciate. I really love y'all, okay? Period. But yeah, let me stop rambling. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys in next week's video. Bye.